Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So we have a special Chef Carter's Cooking Corner today. So one thing I would like to share with you that's kind of amazing, and many of you may not know this about me, is that I am the daughter of a colonel, a Kentucky colonel. And I also wanted to dedicate this episode to my dad and, kind of show you his certificate. So this was given by the Commonwealth of Kentucky by Paul E. Patton. So this is his certificate that shows that he is a Kentucky colonel. So it may not be KFC, but it's going to be some good chicken up in here. So to butterfly, you're going to take a pair of scissors and you're going to go along each side of the spine as close as you can. So if you don't have scissors at home, you can use a knife and then just go along. Like this. And then what you can do with this spine is you can put that in some chicken soup. I'm having a little trouble here, but that's okay. That happens sometimes. All right. Alright, now we'll go along the other side. It's been a while since I've had to do this, but that's alright. It's like riding a bicycle. It comes back to you. Alright, I'll put this over here for now, dry this out. Alright, and so what I'm going to do is right here, see, here are the wings, and there is a little spot right here, and it also helps to just do a little slit right there, about 1/4 of an inch deep. And that will help the chicken to lay flat. So that's what you want. This is called butterfly. So I just butterflied my chicken, and I'm going to take the wings and put those under like that. All right, so spread this skin over that. All right. So
hello, I'm Kenny Carter. I'm about to do this chicken spatchcock style. Okay, basically, you want to cut this backbone of the chicken out first.
So what do you think about the quality of that chicken?
Looks like a pretty good chicken.
It's amazing. so you can save that. That can go in my bag of bones.
Bag of bones.
Yeah, I'm saving up bones.
Okay, we want to flip the chicken over. Take your hand like this, pull your palm down on the chicken, another hand, give it a push, and you hear a little crack. Then spread your chicken out a little bit like this. This will help your chicken cook more evenly, and it actually cook faster too. There you go.